What's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be nice, short, and also sweet. Today we're going to be talking why you need a mentor and specifically why mentors in the Amazon FBA business can be so impactful and so helpful for your business. Let's get into it. So like I mentioned, today's video is going to be nice and short. Make sure that you are sticking and watching all the way to the end. If you are a prospective or a current Amazon seller, I'm going to have an amazing offer for you and you're going to want to stick around for it. So let's get into it. Why is having a mentor one of the best decisions that you can make for your Amazon business? A mentor is generally going to be someone who is in a position that you want to be in. This is going to be someone who has walked the path that you wish to walk. And by having that person around, they're able to guide you and teach you the things that you need to know, the strategies that you need to employ, and the things that you need to do in order to find yourself in a very similar position to them. A mentor should be somebody who you look up to, who you collaborate well with, but also someone who you can understand clearly, can articulate themselves well, and really just emulate the type of characteristics that you want to see for yourself, or they are able to reach the type of goals that you wish to reach within your own business, life, whatever that may be. So bringing this specifically to the Amazon FBA business, if you are just starting out and you have no idea what you're doing something like background research, such as watching YouTube videos like you're doing right now, or reaching out to people who have already walked the path, looking up different free courses or content that's online is a fantastic first step. But once you're looking to really dive and go all in with this, you want to make this a real business where you're looking to level up and make it to the next step, I highly recommend getting yourself a mentor. Mentors have helped us progress our business to where it is today, and I can say with 100% certainty, and I can guarantee that if we didn't have the mentors that we do for our business, we would not be nearly in the same position that we have found ourselves in the last 2 years of selling online. Over the past 2 years, we've been able to create relationships, network, and really just be a part of a couple of different communities that have had a massive impact on the way that we run our business and the way that we're able to grow and scale at a rapid rate. This is why I've decided to put something together of my own, and this is completely geared towards Amazon sellers that are just starting or have recently just started their Amazon journey. And this is going to be a community of like-minded individuals who can get together, collaborate. I'm going to be doing live trainings, and then as well on top of that, there's going to be a course section of video modules that you can take and watch on your own time. And then we all get together, we network, we mastermind, if you want to call it. And through this network of individuals and through my live teachings and trainings, you're going to figure out the keys to success on how to scale your very own business. Now, this video is not meant to be a sales pitch or a sales offer for the things that I'm doing, but more so an overall general guideline and a explanation about how we were able to achieve the results that we have today, and just express the fact that we owe a lot of our success and the progress that we've seen has been attributed to the fact that we surrounded ourselves with mentors. All right, guys, that is all for today. As I mentioned, I have a special offer for everyone who stuck to the end of this video. I'm going to be launching Elite Wholesale on December 2nd, 2020. If you are watching the video after this time, then that means either the course has reached full launch or beta launch. And regardless of where that's at, I want you to be a part of our journey, of my journey, and I would love to have you a part of the program. Anybody who is watching this and wants 15% off, yes, that's 15, regardless of if it's in beta launch or full course, I'm going to be leaving this video up. And forever and a day, for watching this video, for being a supporter, and for joining my journey, I will give you guys that 15% off. All you have to do is make sure that you smash smash that like button as always. Comment down below and just let me know where you are in your journey and say that you watched through the video and you want your 15% off. I will reach out to you and ensure that that happens. We can get you guys all signed up and we can start or continue our journeys together and really move on to the next level. As well, if you guys have not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button, smash that little notification bell. And as always, I hope that you guys take care and we will see you on the next one.